Literally today, I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't film. So I was like, let me just do like a little mini vlog for the day. Y'all, I was in there watching Suzanne. I hope I said that right. I love watching her videos though. Go check out her channel. But I got Austin Mahone's music stuck in my head now because I was watching it. And I'm like, what about love? What about our promises? What about love? You take enough and leave me nothing. Working on not overthinking content so much because I feel like it's not as hard as I think it is. Like, I be overthinking it when it's just really just turning on the camera. Just turn on the camera, baby. Turn on the camera and press record. Gosh. I scrubbed down that neck, you know what I'm saying? Can you guys guess where I'm from? I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Put your guess in the comments because I really want to know. But y'all, I'm from Atlanta. Did you guess it right? I'm from the east side of Atlanta. I want to know where you guys thought I was from. Like, what do I give off? My kids are in here watching Sesame Street, so random moments with my husband.
Yeah.
I just want to like do my face a little bit, so I take this e.l.f. primer because I don't have any eyebrow gel, and I just slide this on like this. I don't want to do too much, and then I just like shape up my eyebrows so it can like lay how I want it to. Does anyone else struggle with their eyes always trying to water? We're gonna do just a little bit of mascara because I feel like the mascara makes my eyes like waken up a lot more. I'm caught in the matrix, I'm trying to change it. How do I figure it out? They gave me 2 choices, red pill or blue pill. I'm gonna take it now. I actually just finished smoking, so my voice is a little raspy right now. But if you guys like that song, I already have it out. You can go check down in the description. It's called Matrix. Unfortunately, my kids broke my lip gloss, so I don't have it, but we're gonna put on some. Now we're about to film my Day X videos, and I'll be right back. You wanna see my youngest son? His hair looks crazy right now, but hey, Boogie. My house looks wild right now, honestly. Like, look at this, y'all. I gotta clean it up. Let me show you. My kids literally put Crown on my TV. I gotta wipe it off. Listen, I got 2 sons that are level 2 autistic, and those are my oldest sons. This is what I was watching. To drink my green tea in the morning. Like, after I take my vitamins, I drink my green tea. See, my husband just finished cleaning the kitchen, but he made a protein shake and stuff. I'm gonna go in here because let me show y'all. These are the vitamins that I use. They are amazing. I use this, but if my girlies smell it, which they should, I also use this every day. I actually haven't taken them today, so we're going to take 2. And I'm gonna take my chlorophyll because I take this daily too. 2 tablespoons of this. Oh yeah, if you guys are interested in like anything that I'm using, that just happened.
I saw that.
If you guys are interested in anything that I'm using, I'll link it down below. It's in my Amazon storefront because I get all this from Amazon. And this is like the stuff that we use daily, like My husband uses this. And then the men's version, and then the magnesium we both use. Our kids' vitamins and our kids' iron. And yeah. And you can get all of this stuff out of my Amazon storefront. It is very important that after you drink that chlorophyll, you drink water. Water has like the sugar-free liquid IV in it, but you will like start getting sick to your stomach if you not drink water. Okay, trust me, you will get sick to your stomach. But it gets like rid of your body odor, so like why not? Say what's up. Yeah. So we are about to make some like beef sausage, Cajun type of pasta, but I don't have any peppers, so we're gonna make do with what we got. I never said I was a professional, but I do be cooking good. I'm a really good cook. But when it comes to like cooking and stuff, but the meals be good though. Honestly, I got used to cooking with onions so much that my eyes don't even like be reacting all the time, but also you gotta move like pretty quick too. I did wash off the knife and I washed off the cutting board before I started cutting up the onion. We got the beef off to the side, and right now we're just still like cooking up the noodles. Onions diced, sausage diced. Alright, I don't have a strainer, but it's time to dump it out. Gotta put the noodles into here. This isn't actually like a tutorial. You can do whatever you want. It's just my episode 2. I'm actually gonna use the same exact pan, and I'm gonna take some. Let's smoke. I'm gonna take some extra virgin olive oil and I'm gonna put that in the pan, and then we're gonna like fry up the sausage and onions. So we put the olive oil in. Yeah, it still got like some noodles on it, but you know, it is what it is. It's gonna get washed anyways. And the sausage. And we're gonna let this cook. Put it on like a medium heat. Let it toss. Okay, so you know the flavors from the sausage gives a nice flavor, but we're gonna add in some sloppy mama seasoning. If you ain't seasoned, you ain't seasoned. Okay, so I like to put a lot. A lot. This is gonna season like the whole sauce. And then not too much of this because I don't want it to get too spicy, okay? Sprinkle that in there. Adding in some spinach. Adding in sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, so this is like cooked down a good amount, right? So we're about to put in a little bit of chicken broth and a little bit of cream cheese. Hold on, just give me a second. Some chicken broth. We're just gonna sprinkle. Now it's important that we put it on a low heat because you do not want the dairy to cook fast, okay? Dude, what I said, no playing with fridges. No. And now we're just gonna like let this. So this is how it's looking now. Yeah. And like I said, we making with what we got, okay? And I don't have any more Parmesan cheese, but I do have Fiesta cheese. Okay, this is not what I usually do. I usually add Parmesan cheese, but look, I just need a little bit of cheese to make it work, okay? See, like, just trust me, it still looks good. We're just gonna pour it. So here is the pasta. Okay, now here we are. This is the food. Thanks for watching episode 2. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for future posts in the future. Because like I said, I'm posting every Sunday at 7 p.m. Thanks for listening to my TED Talk. Welcome to the ChiiVerse. Are you ready for liftoff?